Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to connect your iPhone to a Bluetooth device like a speaker's MacBook or even another phone, but keep saying that pairing unsuccessful message, in this video I have got some quick and easy solutions to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Forget the device and try again. Sometimes your phone just needs a fresh restart with the device you are trying to connect. Here's what to do. Open the Settings app. Tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Find the device you are trying to pair with. Tap the eye icon next to it. Tap Forget this device. This helps clear any old connection issues. Now try pairing the device again. Solution 2. Check screen time settings. Your iPhone might be blocking connections due to screen time restrictions. Here's how to fix that. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's turned on, switch it off. This can unblock Bluetooth connection that were accidentally restricted. Solution 3. Use airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds. Then turn it back off. Sometimes airplane mode clears out interference and helps Bluetooth work smoothly. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If nothing else has worked, this is the last option. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm it one more time. This will reset all your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and VPN settings. But don't worry, it wouldn't delete any of your personal data. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions can fix the problem for you. If it worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.